In a small and cozy home, everything feels more spacious and peaceful when each item is placed in its proper spot. Before you begin organizing, take a good look around your room and choose the items that you no longer use or need. Old, broken, or unused things can be thrown away, recycled, or donated to someone who might need them more. Once unnecessary things are removed, your room will feel lighter, fresher, and easier to move around in. Next, divide your room into different zones, one for studying, one for playing, and another for resting or sleeping. Each zone should have its own storage boxes or shelves, so that everything can be kept tidy and easy to find. For example, books and school supplies should be neatly placed on your desk or stored in a labeled container. Toys should go into a big box with a lid, and when you're done playing, just return them to their special home. Small items like pens, scissors, rulers, and paper clips should be kept in trays or jars to avoid losing them. Every night before going to bed, take 5 to 10 minutes to tidy up and return everything to its original place. Organizing is not a one-time job, it's a habit that needs to be practiced every single day to become natural. When your space is clean and organized, your mind also feels calmer, clearer, and more focused. Parents can turn cleaning time into a fun game, maybe a race to see who puts away their things the fastest. You can also draw a simple map of your room or use pictures and labels to remember where everything belongs. Sometimes decorating your storage boxes or using cute stickers can make tidying up even more fun and exciting. Living in a clean and tidy room helps you concentrate better, feel more confident, and learn how to be more independent. And always remember, every item in your room has its own little home, and you are the keeper of that magical kingdom.